What are some of the trends you're seeing right now in terms of what's emerging in, overall in the industry of transportation and then
Yeah.
particularly port?
Well, there are a lot of trends, of course, but I think the main theme that we are very much working on and following up and see what we can do to make it reality is everything related to automation and then autonomization. So autonomous systems in the air, on water, and on land. So we've worked very hard to make drones a possibility in the port, and that has expanded all the way into a vibrant ecosystem. To your information, well, when we started 7-8 years ago, we had a dream about deploying drones, but in that statement that we made, there were 3 legal impossibilities at the time. Now, at the end of 2025, we have 14,000 authorized drone flights in 1 year in the port. Our drones, but also drones from a lot of other stakeholders who want to make use of drone capabilities and drone functionalities, all the way to the beginning of cargo drones. Also on water with remote piloted barges, and now we are very much focusing on getting autonomous trucks a reality. Technology exists. We have a very extensive list of what we could do with it, even up to societal impact. And of course, in the middle is the regulator that has to move. So we try to, by means of a positive approach, try to inspire and motivate them to move forward. So, and then, of course, looking at, and one of the drivers for automation and autonomization is, of course, skilled labor. We always talk about the war on talent in society, but I think you have to skip that, and certainly in Northwestern Europe, start to replace that by the war on people. We don't have people anymore to do certain jobs. They don't show up, they are not there, and we lack already hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of people in Europe as a whole, truckers, barge operators, licensed barge captains. So we need to come up with very innovative solutions to solve that, and at the same time make it an opportunity, right?